Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all the Form 4 students across Somaliland. Tomorrow marks the beginning of an incredible milestone. As you step into your examination halls this Saturday, June 27th, the entire management and staff of the Unity University want to wish you the very best of luck. We know how hard you have worked, the late nights you've put in, and the dedication you've shown to reach this point. These national exams are not just a test of your knowledge, but the gateway to your future and the key that opens the doors to higher education. At the Unity University, we believe in your potential to become the leaders, innovators, and professionals of tomorrow. We are eagerly looking forward to welcoming you into our vibrant campus community, where your academic journey will truly take flight. Believe in yourselves, stay focused, write your future with confidence. Your success is our shared hope. Choose excellence, choose your future, choose the Unity University. Good luck, class of 2026. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.